Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yoga Bay, and we're here doing some stretches and welcome into the new year. So we're going to do a few stretches. Let's get down into our poses of our Namaste pose. And today we're just going to do a few stretches, a few just in our groin. You hold a lot of tension in your hips, and we're going to just do a few stretches doing that today and do a few meditation and a few breathing skills. So let's do some few breathing. In and out. Inhale, let's exhale. Drop your shoulders. Feel wiggle a little bit. Now we're going to raise our hands up, guys. Lean our hands back. Just do a few breathing. Pressing our hands right back down to our knees. Softly. Dropping our shoulders. Moving that forward a little bit. January. Let's just take it in and let's just exhale all of that bad negative energy out and meditate and focus on the positive. And I want you guys to stand up really nice and tall. We're going to get into a forward position. Position. We're going to inhale and exhale in. And exhale out. We're going to inhale again. Exhale out. Feet flat. Drop our hips down, guys. Place our head down to the mat. Drop our arms. Just really relax. Drop your shoulders. Take a few breaths in and out, guys. You can start doing a good reach. We can do a reach, and what that'll do is it'll just, you'll hear some of your bones heavy cracking, guys, but that's gonna stretch you out. Up. Let's keep it going, guys. Come on. Get that tension out of our necks, out of our shoulders, out of our forearms. like to do, you guys just follow with me. Do a quick stretch. Arms out, and just okay, let's get back into our Namaste pose. And we'll go back into our meditating.